Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, I'd like to explain the simplest method of finding 3D volumes using integrals, which is known as the method of rings. And the solids, in this case, that we want to find the volume of, are called volumes of revolution, because we obtain the 3D shape from rotating a function around an axis. We see, for example, that this function will give us a full solid, and we can see its volume must be the integral from point A to point B of the cross-sectional area with respect to x. Because of the fact it is solid all the way through, the cross-sectional area is a full circle and not a ring, so the cross-sectional area is given by pi r squared. And so this method is formally called the method of disks, or if you get a function that gives you a hollow cross-sectional area, it would be called the method of rings instead. But regardless of whether it's a disk or ring, you are always adding up infinitesimally thin layers of circular shapes that are dictated by rotating a function around an axis. In my next tutorial video, we will review a more complicated type of integration, which is called the method of cylinders. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.